Welcome to the Beacon of Leadership Step-by-Step Training Series. This training is where leadership becomes clear, practical, and actionable. Whether you're an emerging leader, coach, or entrepreneur, this training is designed to help you grow with intention, one step at a time. Each lesson will guide you toward building something strong and resilient. It will strengthen your leadership foundation, sharpen your message, and aid you in stepping into your authority with competence and confidence. You won't just learn concepts, you'll apply them, reflect on them, and turn them into real-world impact. Let's take the first step in shining the light on your leadership journey.
Welcome, everyone. We're thrilled to kick off phase one of this this step-by-step training for business building. Our topic today is purpose and positioning of the step-by-step training for business building. This is where everything begins, because before you can lead others, before you can grow a business, you must first understand your purpose. Remember, clarity is the foundation of confidence, and confidence is the foundation of leadership. Curtis, why don't you share a little bit about why purpose matters in business?
Absolutely, Jay. So often entrepreneurs focus on tactics, social media, like social media marketing, products, that sort of stuff. But without clarity about why you're doing it, the business can feel scattered and stressful. Purpose gives you your direction. It helps you make decisions, attract right clients, and create impact that lasts.
So let's start with understanding the power of purpose. A purpose-driven business isn't just about making money. It's about leading with impact. It's about aligning your business with who you really are and what you truly value. When you know your why, everything becomes easier. As John Maxwell likes to say, when you know your why, the way becomes easier, right?
Yep.
So your decisions are clearer, your confidence grows, and your leadership naturally shines.
Absolutely. So you can also think of it like a lighthouse, like basically our symbols here is about the lighthouse, right?
That's why we use our symbol.
Yeah. Your purpose is the light guiding every decision you make in your business. When your business aligns with your purpose, your message resonates, your clients connect on a deeper level, and your influence expands.
Exactly. So take a moment and reflect. Why did you start your business? What motivated you? Write down 3 words or phrases that come to mind when you think about your business.
Now that we've thought about our initial motivation, it's time to dig deeper. We'll define 3 critical components of a purpose-driven business. The first one will be your why. The reason why you want to do that is or what you should be doing now is grab your notebook. Let's start to ask why. If there was no money or no object of the money that would start your business, would you do it? Yes or no? Write that down. And then write down your answer, 1 or 2 sentences, and be honest and specific. Sometimes you can also break down your why to multiple whys. So why am I doing this? Why? And you can break it down that way. It'll help get more defined. Number
the 5
2,
whys technique. Yep.
And then the number 2 is your vision, the impact you want to create in the world. So first, imagine 5 years from now, what change do you want to see because of your work? Write that question down. And then what impact do you want your business to make in people's lives? You write that down too. Okay, so you got those couple questions written down. If you need to pause the video, do so. I'll move on to number 3. Your core values, the principle that guide how you lead and make decisions. And finally, your core values. These are non-negotiables that guide your decision. Examples could be integrity, innovation, service, courage, confidence. List a couple of values that you truly feel matter to you. So moving on to section 3 here. Let's discover your leadership through your story. So what's your story? Your story matters. Your experience, challenges, and success shape your leadership purpose. The best leaders connect with their audience through authenticity and shared experience. Think of moments in your life where you've overcome challenges or achieved something meaningful. And think, how do these moments connect to your why and your vision?
Yeah. So an exercise for you for this part of the segment, write down 2 to 3 key life experiences that define who you are and how they came to inform your leadership purpose. Now we'll bring it all together into your personal leadership vision statement. This is a clear, concise declaration of who you are, the impact you want to make, and how your business supports that business.
That's right. Thanks, RJ. So here's an example for what I'm thinking. For instance, my vision might be to empower entrepreneurs to build purpose-driven businesses that positively impact their communities while living a balanced life and fulfilled. So that could be like family, having the right amount of money, that sort of stuff. Right?
Yep. So your statement should be personal, clear, and inspiring. See, here's a step-by-step guide. 1, start with your why. Then 2, add your vision. 3, include your core values. 4, keep it short, 1 to 2 sentences. Here's an exercise for this segment. Take 5 minutes to draft your statement. Don't overthink it. Just write a version that feels authentic. We'll refine it over time.
Yeah, so if you feel like you're going to pause it now, go ahead. Also, another tip is if you use ChatGPT or something like that, they can also help you as well if you want to do that. It's not as personal, but that's your choice.
We use ChatGPT a lot in what we do, but what we do is we take it, we refine it, and make it our own. So use it for the core structure, but then rewrite it, rework it for your own purposes.
Yeah, make it your own type thing, right?
Yeah.
So now, once you've got that exercise done, take a moment to read your vision statement out loud. How does it feel? Does it inspire confidence? Does it align with your goals and values?
Mm-hmm. And read it often. If you follow Napoleon Hill, he says read this statement twice a day, once in the morning and once before you go to bed. So do that, and it will start to bring clarity, right? Because remember, clarity is the foundation of confidence. When you know your purpose and vision, everything else, your strategy, your marketing, your leadership becomes clearer. This is where phase 1 sets the tone for your business building journey.
Yeah, that's a good point, RJ. With the vision thing of that, just put it like by your bathroom or somewhere where you see often, and that'll help you. So like for the next week, live with your vision statement. Let it guide your decisions, your content, your interactions. Come back next session, or maybe the next video, depends how far you are in the course. And then take this clarity and position yourself as a leader in your field.
Fantastic work today, guys. We'll see you in module 2, where we'll start positioning your business so the right people find you.
Right on, guys. See you in the next video.
Congratulations. You've just taken another meaningful step forward in your leadership journey. Keep up the great work. But leadership isn't built in isolation. It's strengthened through practice, reflection, and a supportive environment. If you're ready to go deeper, find guidance and support to apply what you've learned, and grow alongside other purpose-driven leaders, we invite you to join us in the Beacon Fellowship School of Leadership. Inside the fellowship, you'll find structured training, guided discussions, real-world application, and ongoing support to help you lead with clarity, confidence, and character. Don't just learn about leadership, experience it. Visit www.beaconfellows.com and join the Beacon Fellowship School of Leadership and continue becoming the leader you're called to be.